Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you being here. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 2023 Pocono market in review. So we're going to look at how the Pocono market performed overall in 2023. And then at the end, I'm going to give you my projections on what I think is going to happen in 2024. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video if you find value. Make sure you drop something in the comments so we can discuss whether you agree. Give me a thumbs up. If you disagree, give me a thumbs down. Either way, I appreciate it, and it helps with the algorithm. And let's get right into it. When we look at January of 2023, the median asking price was $259,943. And ironically, even though interest rates were going up, you can see here prices kept going up. The median asking price went up in June to $285. It dipped down to $275,000 in July, and then voila, and it picked back up in October to $292. And we ended the month of December with a median price of $295,000 from $240,000 and $59,000. That's a significant increase in terms of valuation. I gotta tell you, I was not expecting that for the Pocono Mountain region. That winds up being a 12%, around a 12% increase in value. Wow, in median asking. Let's keep going here. Okay, guys, so let's go now to active. We're going to go to January of 23. We started with 960 units on the market, and we winded up in December with 1,015. So it's basically flat. So we still have an inventory problem here in the Pocono Mountains. So if you're looking to buy here and you're looking to invest in this place, or you're looking to move to the Poconos and you're looking to buy a second home or a short-term rental here in the Pocono Mountain region, there's still a inventory issue. And as long as there's an inventory issue, the market will remain stable unless the interest rates just go out so out of control that prices have to come down. Let's look at sales. Let's go to January of 2023. There were 258 sales in January. We went to 289 February, 405 in March, 288 in April, and boom, it picks up in May. These are the hot months, right? When real estate picks up, June, 400, dipped in July, 355, August, 395, and then boom, you expect this in December to dip down to 352. And let's look at pending. What happened here? January of 23, we had 390, 339 pending sales. But look at what happened here, guys. What went pending? 339 went pending in January. In December, it just took a nosedive. You expect that during the holidays, but that's a big dip. Let's go down to sale to original list price. So if we go to January of 23, properties were selling at 92.6% of list price. And in December, they were selling at 94.6% of list price. So people were getting 95% of what they're asking. This is flat for me. I'm going to call this even. Days on the market. So days on the market, that's a huge indicator of what's happening in the market. January of 2023, we went to 6.3%. I want to see what it did in June when interest rates peaked. So interest rates peaked between July and October. Look at what happened here. Not a big effect. 46 days on the market in July. You expect this in January as it's a cold month, but look at what happened here, guys. Interest rates didn't really have much of an impact here as to sold days on the market. Interesting. Now, the average days on the market in the month of December of 2023 was 55. So we're going in line, guys. What's happening is we're going back in line to the average days on the market here in the Poconos. Under normal circumstances, when there's normal amount of inventory in a normal regular market appreciating 3 to 5, 6% a year, you expect to hold the property for 60 to 90 days from the time you put it on the market to the time you close. That's about average. And we're kind of falling back in line with those numbers here. Let's go to prices. 349, the list price, versus in December, versus sold is 245, and versus new median list price. But look at what's happening, guys. The new median list price in the month of December went down to 279. Let's compare that to January of 2023. Sold median list price was 275. In December of 23 was 295. And in January of 23, new median list price was 285. Interesting. So we're seeing prices, the new listings coming down. Realtors are pricing these properties at a lower price. Really good stat. Absorption, number of months, absorption rate, meaning how many months will it take to absorb the properties, the units on the market. So what does this mean, guys? What does this all mean? I am honestly super surprised that the market in the Poconos, and many of you that watch me and follow me and that watch my content that are in this market in the Poconos will probably agree and be just as surprised as I am that the market here in the Pocono Mountain actually went up. I have multiple properties that I flipped this year. My hold time were significantly longer than what we just shared. My pricing was different than that, but that's just my personal experience. This is the data. But I am certainly surprised. What this tells me is the market has been strong here in the Poconos. I think it will continue to be strong for two reasons. Number one, this is a very desirable space. We're so close to New York. We're so close to New Jersey, literally a few miles away from New Jersey, only 65 miles west of New York City. And there's some really interesting infrastructure coming into the Poconos now. Now, there's an Amtrak train coming from New York City, which has been approved. The feds have already approved funding for it, and the construction has begun. Stay tuned. I'll share more details on that. But I think that, along with the data that you just saw, and interest rates are beginning to come down, and the feds have committed to lower interest rates in 2024, really excites me about the Pocono market. If you or someone you know is looking to sell one of your properties and you're distressed and you want to sell it quick, make sure you call Skilled Property Finders, hit my company up. We make you an offer and we don't close within 21 days or less. We'll pay you an additional $5,000. Make sure you hit someone up and get a free consultation from one of my team members. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel, share it, and I hope you found value. And let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you think that the market will continue to be strong here in the Poconos? I certainly do, but I'd like to hear your thoughts. Let's debate it. Let's discuss it. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.